Now that you've reached the results stage on your water system design, I'm going to run through some of the key results that you can get from h2x once you finish the system. So if we zoom in to this pipework arrangement here, we can drop our filters menu down where we can look at some of our pipe sizing results. So you can see here that we can get the pipe diameter, we can also get the velocity, the loading units attached to the pipes. For the pressure drops, you can show the index node path. Click that and that'll highlight the pipe with the worst case pressure loss, going through the different levels over to the fixture or the connected plant with the worst case pressure drop. If we scroll down a little bit further on this menu, you can also look at items for the plant, the different inlets and outlets on the different fixtures, and information on the fittings. If you want to turn all of them on or off, you can use these macro buttons at the top to help you to clear the results quickly. And the pipe sizing configurations themselves are based on the system settings. You may have noticed that these branch pipes connecting to this bath are actually sized in PEX. If we go to the system settings and go to systems, you can see that for cold water, our branch pipes are set to be sized in PEX. So we can switch that over off this drop down menu here, switch it over to copper. You can also view the available sizes and set a minimum pipe size for those last connecting branch pipes. If we switch over to hot water, you can have differential settings for each flow system, where that's also being sized in PEX. If we go over to methods, this is where we can choose our peak flow rate calculation method. So this will determine the diversified flow rate based on the number of loading units attached to each fixture. If you go to the pipe sizing method here, this is where you can choose whether you're going to size to a maximum velocity, maximum pressure drop, or both of those parameters that are set in each individual flow system. This setting here will allow you to choose whether you want to sum or take the highest only of fixtures with both hot and cold water units associated to them. If we go back to the project and hit results again, you can see that these will be resized in copper pipe sizes. If you have any questions or you want to go through the project results in more detail, feel free to reach out to us or leave a comment on this video.